In this video, I will show you how to move Duolingo account to another phone. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open the Duolingo app on your old phone and then head over into your profile, tap on the settings gear, and then make sure your account is linked to Google, Apple, Facebook, or an email address. This ensures your data is backed up. Now, on your new phone, go ahead and download and install the Duolingo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, click on that open button, and then in this section, you can go ahead and click on I already have an account. To be able to sign into your account, go ahead and enter the username and password of your account. But if your account is connected to your Google or Facebook account, you can simply click on the specific social media application to where your account is connected to, and then select your profile, and then you'll be signed into your account on the Duolingo application on your new phone. Your strict XP and courses will sync automatically.